Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So browser extensions are useful, but they can block Perplexity from working properly. So in today's small tutorial, we want to go through how to fix extension blocking Perplexity in Perplexity AI, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, you want to isolate the conflict. The most effective troubleshooting method is isolating the confliction extension. So we're gonna go and start by opening our browser extension management page. On Chrome or Edge is Chrome extensions or the / extensions. Firefox it's about 2 dots add-ons. Disable all non-essential extensions, then try to restart your browser. Then you can easily test Perplexity. If it works, re-enable extensions one by one until you find the actual problem. As for the common offenders that we all know of, known extensions that can block Perplexity, G-Shelter, security extension that caused Perplexity to show a browser was totally updated, but it was totally bad, Privacy Badger, Ghostry, non-script, privacy extensions that actually block the whole script, and also the cookie auto-delete. It can reset authorization if Perplexity cookies are totally cleared. It's basically normal. So any extension that modifies the user, agent strings, it's totally not allowed. Try disabling them all. Then check the browser flags on Chrome or Edge. For advanced users, certain browser flags can affect extensions. So go and look for the codes, try to enable them, then relaunch your browser. Make sure also your browser is fully updated, and that's your idea. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.